Today in this video I will show you how to download a Bootstrap documentation offline. So for downloading a Bootstrap documentation, first of all I come to browser. So in here I write a Bootstrap. So if I enter here, so you can see here the first link is a Bootstrap. So I click here, I check the version of a Bootstrap file in documentation. Now what will be the latest version of a Bootstrap? So you can see here the Bootstrap latest version is 5.3. So now I want to download this Bootstrap file documentation offline. So for that I come to here. I already this file downloaded and upload to my GitHub. So for going to my GitHub account, so I write here github.com/Qureshi12. So that's my GitHub account. After that I hit a enter button. You can see here that's my profile. So here I come to repositories and click here. So after that I scroll little bit. Here you can see link Bootstrap file. I click here and you can see here there are two type of files. One is my Bootstrap file and second is the Bootstrap offline documentation. So I download both. So here and click download zip and download here. Now our file is downloaded successfully. So I open this folder. So here you can see we have two files. One is a Bootstrap styling file and second one is a Bootstrap offline documentation. I extract this file into this file. So after that I click it OK. So it will be extract to my desktop. So if I check here, where is a Bootstrap documentation file. So you can see here is a Bootstrap documentation. So I click here and this will be extract to. So extract to where? Extract to desktop. So after that I close this one. So here you can see that's a Bootstrap 5.3 documentation offline. So if I click here always, so here you go, you can see I successfully downloaded Bootstrap documentation offline. If I close my connection, so you can see here any part of this link is working correctly. So if I come to the JavaScript, so it also working correctly. And also if I come overview forum, and also if I go to any place of the link, I click, it means it's working perfectly. So that's the way how to download a Bootstrap latest version documentation offline. So if you like a video, please subscribe my channel and also give a comment if you have any suggestions. Thank you.